Hey everyone, so today I'm going to share with you the contents of the Big Book box. This is the Brave box, and I received all the items from this box today itself. This is not a typical unboxing though, because I've already looked into all the items. I couldn't wait for that long. Basically, most of the items were delivered January this year, and just some of the items were delayed due to some issues. So I'm filming it now after I've received all of the items. There are around 5 books in this box. All of them are hardcover, and 3 of them contains an alternative cover as well. So let's start with the goodies and the books. The first item is this lantern. It's a really beautiful lantern, and the material is also quite sturdy. So you can open it up like this. You can put a candle or an LED light, anything inside it, and it will look really nice. You can hang it up anywhere in your house. The next item is a candle. I think nowadays they are adding candles to every boxes because people do request it. Scented candles are really nice to lighten up your mood. So this is the candle. It's based on Deadly Education, the book. Most of the items in this box are based on the Deadly Education. It's really nice. This is coffee flavored. I don't think I'm going to light it up ever because I don't want it to kind of finish. It's really nice. Now the next item is also based on a Deadly Education. This is a notepad. This is how it looks. Inside it's completely blank. It's just a simple notepad, nothing else. Also, I forgot to mention the theme for this month. The theme card for this month is this second star to the right. The theme card also has the details or the spoilers for the goodies in the box, and also there is an edition of the Barefoot Sunshine. I think they send this magazine in almost every boxes. I've seen other people's reviews on these boxes. They do send every month. There is a sort of a new edition for this magazine. For this month it was based on Shirley Jackson. There is a few sort of mentions on Shirley Jackson, her life. I haven't read it yet. Also, I would like to mention that this is not a review video. I haven't read any of the books in this box. I haven't even touched them. I have no idea on most of the books. I just know the basic, basic gist of the stories. So basically, I haven't read this as well. The box was I just looked into the items and I kept the box till I filmed the video. This also contains some spoilers and some details on the goodies. The pin of the month for this particular month was it comes in this box. Every month the pin of the month generally comes in this box. This is the pin. It's based on a Coat of Thorns and Roses. I guess everybody knows these books by Sarah J. Maas. So I haven't read any of Sarah J. Maas's books yet though, but I really want to get into this series, A Coat of Thorns and Roses. And also there is another, I think, item in this box which is based on there is a tarot card which is based on another of Sarah J. Maas's series, which is just a second, I think there is a tarot card here. It's based on the no, there are something else. Anyway, so let me get into the tarot cards first. So these two are the tarot cards which I received. This is Sabrina from the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, and this is, I think, Throne of Glass. Yes, Throne of Glass. This is also a Sarah J. Maas book. So this is what I was talking about. I wasn't sure which one it was. So Sarah Jinas is quite popular, as everybody knows in BookTube and Instagram. Everybody raves about her books. I really want to read them. Now there are two bookmarks which are based on two of the books in this box. This is on Joanne Laurie, and this is on A Deadly Education. As I said, that many of the items in this box are based on A Deadly Education. Now there are some stickers as well. These are really funky and really cute. You can put it up in your laptops, on your bookshelf, on your phones. This is a set of the stickers. This is a single sticker, and there is also a sticker based on Shirley Jackson. I don't think my camera is picking it up. It's focusing on me. And I was saying there is an extra pin as well which I received today itself. I received the rest of the items. I mean, there was one book and an extra pin which I received today. I think this was not supposed to be there in this box originally, but somehow I received it, and I'm really happy for that. This pin is really nice, really beautiful. Okay, now, and there is also a BookBuzz edition. This is a daily news. This is a newspaper from their end. I have received a copy of BookBuzz before as well, with one of their books which I ordered from their partner website, as far as I know, the Chapter One bookstores. I'll leave both the links down below in the description box. I have bought quite a few books from the Chapter One bookstores website. The last item in the goodies is this tote bag. This is really sturdy and really nice. This has a quote. This is really nice. This is really colorful and quite, the space is quite, and it can include quite a few books. You can go book shopping with this. Now let's come to the books. So the first book in this box is this, which was included in all of their boxes, which was, all of the other boxes as well. This is Joanne Laurie. This is the alternative cover which they have curated for this box. Let's look at the original cover now. This is the original cover. That is also quite nice. The color combination, the color contrast is really good. And this is also a signed copy, as you can see. There are two authors for this book, so there are two authors' signatures. Now the next book is something which I have no idea. I have no idea at all what this book is about. I am hoping this is a contemporary. This is Night, Sleep, Death, the Stars by Joyce Carol Oates. It's quite a big book. This is also hardcover. Now the next book is supposed to be quite good. This was quite famous in 2020. This is A Deadly Education. And this is the alternative cover. I think it's based on a magical school. This is obviously a fantasy. It's on a magical school, and these two are the main characters, I am guessing. And the original cover, I think most of you know how the original cover looks like. It was all over the BookTube. This is the original cover. Now the last book, and the book which actually made me buy this box, is okay, one thing I forgot to mention, The Deadly Education had a sprayed edges as well. This is really nice. I really love books with sprayed edges. So the last book is The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. I actually got this box for this book. I saw that they are giving an alternative cover as well, and the cover was really nice, really pretty. This is also a fantasy book, and the sort of whatever the storyline was, I really loved the storyline, so I wanted to get this. This is the original cover. I think this is also all over BookTube and Instagram. The hardback for this book is also quite nice. think this is supposed to be the devil. As far as I know, the story is based on a sort of a deal with the devil and all. I think that's it. So these were all the items which I received in the Brave box, and I'm really happy. And I'm looking forward to buying more of their books. I have already ordered some of the series from their partner website, the Chapter One bookstores. So I'll be sharing those videos once I receive those packages. I'll be sharing those videos quite soon. So thanks for watching, and keep following me, and please do subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.